Hello guys, welcome to Teen Life Tech.
Welcome.
My name is Teen. On this channel, I give tips, tricks and hacks based on the tech world. So if you have any issue, any words, just put it down in the comment section.
Now to leave a great comment.
And I'll pick it up. And surely my next video will be on that.
Just say it.
So yeah, coming back to today's video, I'm going to be showing you Capcut how to zoom in and out. And I have a bonus tip for you guys at the end of this video. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video.
Till the very end.
So without further ado guys, let's dive right in.
Teen Life Tech.
Yeah, I'm in Capcut. Just drag a clip into the timeline. Well, it could be a video or a picture. So when you click on the video, you see all the different control properties on the right. To zoom in, just set your playhead where you want your zoom in to start. For me, it's at the beginning of the clip. Then you go right there at the right and add a keyframe. Now you move your playhead where you want your zoom in to stop. Then add another keyframe there. Now scale and zoom in, as well as you drag and position where you want. So if you play it, you see how it zooms in. But if you are not satisfied with the zoom, you can still scale it till you get it to your taste. Let's try it again. Okay, yeah, that is how to zoom in. Now let's zoom out. From here, you can just move your playhead where you want your zoom out to stop. Then add a keyframe there. Scale to zoom out. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, we are done with the zoom in and the zoom out. Now for the bonus tip. You want to zoom in and out just a portion of this clip. Interesting, right? With your click on the timeline, add it again the second time. Then click on the first clip and hide the track. Now for the other clip, set your playheads and add a keyframe where you want your zoom to start and end. Then go to mask, choose rectangle mask. What we want to do here is to zoom in and out the subscribe button. So just copy it till you get it cut out. Now you can unhide the track of the other clip so you can start to zoom in respect to it. Then just scale it and zoom in. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, Now let's set our playhead where we want to zoom out. just scale now to full. Let's see. Okay, it zooms in, then zooms out. Now let's just decrease the opacity of the bottom clip. Since it's a white background and you can't really see what we're trying to zoom in, just add another keyframe where it starts to zoom in and where it stops to zoom out. And reduce the opacity a bit. Now our subscribe button is seen better. Okay, yeah guys, this is it for this video.
So yeah guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a video like this. Which video do you want me to make next? Just leave it down at the comment section and I'll pick it up. And as I said, surely my next video will be on that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Din Life Tech.